upbeat music playing, camera zooms in on the host standing between the two products. Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you avoid buyer's remorse. Because who needs that kind of stress in their life? Today, we're diving into the world of mops. Yes, you heard that right. We're comparing the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop, let's just call it Bissell, and the Neugo Steam Mop, which sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but is actually just a cleaning gadget. You know, for those of us who want to feel like we're in a sci-fi flick while tackling our sticky floors. First up, let's talk about the price. Bissell is coming in hot at $154, and many reviewers appreciate the quality, stating it makes life easier, especially for those with physical limitations. However, some mention that the price is a bit steep for the battery life it offers. On the other hand, Neugo is the budget-friendly option at $109. Reviewers love that it performs well and is effective for cleaning, making it a great value for those looking to save money without sacrificing quality. Now, let's talk cleaning power. Bissell boasts an 18-volt battery that gives you 20 minutes of cordless freedom. Reviewers note that while it's effective for everyday messes, the short battery life is a common downside. Meanwhile, Neugo is like the Hulk of mops with its 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam power. Reviewers rave about its ability to clean and sanitize floors effectively, and many find it works wonders on stubborn stains, making it a favorite for those with pets and kids. Now let's check out some cool features. Bissell has this fantastic on-demand spray feature that allows you to control how much solution goes on your floor. Reviewers love this feature, but also caution that too much solution can create a slippery mess. Neugo, on the other hand, has an adjustable steam mode and a large 15.2 ounces water tank. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and the long cord, allowing for efficient cleaning without frequent outlet changes, although some mention the need to go over stubborn stains multiple times. Overall, both mops have their strengths and weaknesses. Bissell is favored for its ease of use and effective cleaning for everyday messes, but its battery life is a notable concern. Neugo shines with its powerful steam cleaning capabilities and affordability, making it a top choice for deeper cleaning needs. So, there you have it, folks. If you want cordless freedom and the ability to control your cleaning solution, go with Bissell. But if you're looking for deep cleaning power without all the chemicals and a price that won't break the bank, Neugo is the way to go. Just don't let your friends know you're considering a mop. It might ruin your street cred. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you choose. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.